From the depths of Japan's disaster zone, eyewitness reports of the death and destruction visited on this nation. Tonight, the towns and villages simply obliterated from the map.
I'm standing literally on top of what is left of the once thriving coastal community of Rikuzen Takata.
This is the ITV News at 6:30 with Julie Etchingham and Alastair Stewart.
I'm in Sendai tonight, close to the epicentre of the quake. Right along the coast here is the story of Friday's earth-shattering events written into the twisted buildings and shattered metal. And now Japan teeters on the brink of a new crisis. Another explosion at a nuclear plant brings fears of meltdown, but as yet no serious radioactive leaks. When the wave came, terrifying new footage of the power of the tsunami.
And in today's other major story, closing in on Libya's rebels, Gaddafi's troops continue their push toward Benghazi.
Well, good evening from Sendai, at the heart of a desolate zone of destruction left behind by Friday's tsunami. Behind me, across the city and in towns and villages right along Japan's northeastern coastline, the wreckage is simply everywhere.